Hello everyone and welcome to Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and in this video we will recap today's market action and discuss our game plan for tomorrow. But first up, to get our market moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on InsiderFinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get our reports, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And after you sign up, you will get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free service from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service, no Discord rooms or Telegram chat groups. And speaking of reports, we have a new one out tonight for subscribers on a past winner trading right at trendline support. This Nasdaq biotech is trading just under $1 and looks primed to make a major move. Biotech is the place to be right now. Look at TMBR getting acquired. I think small cap biotechs are going to be a hot sector over the next coming weeks. Everyone's going to be looking for the next TMBR. That is the next biotech that could be bought out or gets bought now. TMBR closed up 110% today. Our new report is a must read. To get our full report, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. Well, guys, we got the bounce today that I said I was looking for last night. I said that the recent sell-off was a bit overdone and that we were due for a bounce. Today's rally was really driven by Nvidia rallying ahead of earnings on Wednesday and Tesla being oversold. Its RSI had dipped below 30, and that is a prime signal for a bounce. Look at the gains in Tesla calls today. Tesla 230s were up 370%. 225 calls were up 310%. That's what I traded today. And if you are looking for, triple digit gains, the only place where you can find that on a consistent basis is the options market. You can buy 10 calls on Tesla or Nvidia, and that's the same as buying 1,000 shares without having to put down a couple $100,000. Here you can put down a few grand and make 100%, 200%, 300% or more. This is why I love trading options, but everything has to be lined up. You want to trade options on the big up or down days. Futures need to be moving pre-market along with the stocks. Tesla is a high beta name, so it will move more than the SPY or QQQ. And these gains here are just with a 7% move in Tesla stock today. And then if you overall look, today's bounce, don't get too excited saying that the bull market is back. This bounce today was purely technical in nature, and with the key, you have the two key upcoming events this week, which is Nvidia earnings on Wednesday and Fed Chair Jay Powell's speech at Jackson Hole on Friday. This is going to dictate the market's near-term direction, but yields were still higher today, so there is still concern that we could get a deeper stock market pullback. So again, you still have to be cautious and take things on a day-by-day, week-by-week basis. In terms of Nvidia, the stock was up over 8% today as several Wall Street firms hiked their price targets on the godfather of AI ahead of the quarterly results. HSBC analyst Frank Lee, who has a buy rating on Nvidia, raised his price target to $780 from $600, noting that despite the higher expectations, there is still earnings upside that is not fully priced in yet for the second half of fiscal 2024 and fiscal 2025. KeyBank analyst John Vin raised his price target to $620 after previously boosting it in July, noting that the unmatched company is likely to surge past estimates. Vin added that thanks to its CUDA software stack, there is limited competitive risk for Nvidia, and the firm is uniquely positioned to benefit from the secular growth in AI and machine learning in the data center. Wedbush Securities analyst Dan Ives, who called Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang the godfather of AI, said the results from Nvidia are highly anticipated, especially given the fact that tech stocks have been shaky after second quarter results. We expect a bullish outlook from Nvidia that should be the fuel in the engine to continue this tech rally into the rest of the year, despite the tough-talking Fed with Jackson Hole Powell's speech around the corner this week, causing further agita for the market. A consensus of analysts estimate that Nvidia will earn $2.09 per share on $11.07 billion in revenue during the second quarter when it reports on Wednesday after the bell. Several other semiconductor stocks rose on the back of the bullish sentiment, including AMD, Qualcomm, and Marvell Technology. And then tomorrow we're going to get all day. We have Richmond Fed President Tom Barkin and Chicago Fed President Austin Goolsbee, both scheduled to give speeches. We have existing home sales at 10 a.m. and also Richmond Manufacturing Index. What else here, guys? In terms of small caps, Tupperware had a good day as the stock continues its move higher after bouncing off the $2 support level that I pointed out last night. 27% of the float remains short, so we could definitely test the old previous highs on a further short covering rally. And earlier when I talked about high beta names, the best way to explain it is when the overall market is up or down, these high beta stocks move the most. I mean, look at Tupperware. July was a good month for the SPY QQQ, and we got this amazing move from $1 to $6. But in August, stocks started correcting. So then you got the move from, $6 all the way down to $2. So again, this is why you need to pay attention to the overall market and what, the SPY and QQQ are doing. That is when you get these outsized moves. And that is what we're looking for here at InsiderFinancial.com is these outsized moves. As I say repeatedly, there's always opportunities each day in the markets. The problem is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We are looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding the momentum before it happens and ride that wave. Sometimes the waves are big, sometimes they are small. And you just got to, take advantage of the current conditions. And that's what we try to do here at InsiderFinancial.com is put these stocks on your radar. IDAI, this one here is consolidating right under 350. It's going to make a big move one way or another. It looks like it wants to go higher. So again, we are trading above both the 50 and 200-day moving averages, which is all bullish. So again, we'll be watching this one for further move. Just a 5 million share float. IONQ continuing its bounce off the $12 support level. We closed just above the 50-day moving average of 1386. That is a bullish sign. Again, we're trading above both the 50 and the 200-day moving average now. So again, 12% of the float is short. We could see further upside in IONQ. But right now, the key here is we're just trying to put stocks on your radar. You don't need to be in a lot of plays. You got to be very selective. It is still August. Volumes are still light. So, pick and choose your opportunities. But our main focus for tomorrow is our Nasdaq biotech trading under $1. We could see big fireworks in this stock this week. To get our full report, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. No spam, your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at insiderfinancial.com and unsubscribe. Finally, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for watching. Remember to smash that like button, hit the notification bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.